What if I told you your arteries could be silently rusting shut? Then that one single nutrient holds the key to cleaning them out. This isn't science fiction. It's a process happening inside millions of people, often without any warning signs. Arterial stiffening isn't just an old age problem. It can start young, progressing unnoticed for years. However, research now highlights a specific vitamin that acts as a master regulator, one that can help clear and even restore flexibility to your arteries. This is vitamin K2, the overlooked director of your body's calcium traffic. What it does with that calcium is nothing short of remarkable. Number 1. The Calcium Conductor. Vitamin K2 is not the same as the vitamin K found in leafy greens, that's K1, which supports clotting. K2 has a different mission. It activates a powerful protein in your body that serves as a shield for your blood vessels. This shield prevents calcium from sticking to artery walls where it could form hard, dangerous plaque. Instead, K2 directs that mineral to your skeletal system where it's needed for strong bones and teeth. Without this conductor, calcium goes rogue. Number 2. The rusting process. When calcium settles in the wrong places, your arteries lose flexibility. They become rigid and narrow, creating ideal conditions for serious cardiovascular events. If your K2 levels are low, that protective protein remains inactive. Calcium travels freely through the bloodstream, embedding into vessel walls. Experts now link chronic K2 deficiency directly to increased heart health risks. Number 3. The evidence. What does the science say? Major studies such as the renowned Rotterdam study show that people with high K2 intake had up to 50% less vascular calcification and a far lower risk of cardiac events. Improvements in blood vessel elasticity can appear in just a few weeks with consistent K2 intake. This effect is powerfully enhanced when combined with another key player. Number 4. The power pair. That partner is vitamin D3. D3 helps your body absorb more calcium from food. But without enough K2, that extra calcium has no guidance, likely to cause problems in your circulatory system. With sufficient K2, calcium is correctly routed to your bones and safely removed from arteries. Taking D3 and K2 together is the most effective natural strategy not only to halt arterial rusting, but to reverse it. This duo is essential for unlocking your arterial health. Number 5. The best form. Not all K2 is the same. The MK7 form is considered the gold standard. It remains active in your bloodstream for days, reaching and protecting the tiniest capillaries where issues often begin. High-quality supplements source MK7 through fermentation, making it highly bioavailable. Number 6. The widespread deficiency. Why is this deficiency so common? Modern diets are extremely low in K2. Processed foods, lack of fermented options, and limited access to certain animal products mean most people are deficient without realizing it. Those most at risk include people with gut imbalances, older adults. The secret to maintaining clear, flexible pathways for life may already be in your supplement cabinet. If you found this information helpful, please support this channel by hitting the like button. Your support helps natural life hacks reach more people like you. Thank you for watching.